Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be preparing cabbage curry. As you all know, cabbage is packed with vitamin C. It is good for the heart and it has the power to reduce your blood pressure and it helps improve digestion as well. So to prepare this delicious and nutritious cabbage curry, here I have grated some cabbage with the help of a grater. And the ingredients that you would require is 1 chopped onion, 1 chopped tomato, couple of slit green chilies and grated ginger, coriander to garnish. And to add flavor you would require few mustard seeds, cumin seeds, asafoetida, fenugreek seeds and few spices like turmeric, coriander powder and cumin powder and oil. So let us see how to prepare cabbage curry. In a pressure cooker, add 2 or 3 teaspoons of oil and let it heat. Once the oil has heated, add some mustard seeds. Once the mustard seeds start to crackle, add some cumin seeds and fenugreek seeds. If you have some curry leaves handy, please add them too. Add the aromatics like the onions, ginger and chilies. Add some salt and stir fry. Fry until the raw taste has gone away. Once the onions start to turn a little brown, add tomatoes and asafoetida. Mash the tomatoes. Once the tomatoes have cooked down, add the grated cabbage and stir. Add a dash of water to help combine everything together. Do not add a lot of water because cabbage naturally contains water, so let it simmer in its own steam. You can add the spices now, the coriander powder, the cumin powder and the turmeric powder. Combine all the spices together. Add half a glass of water. Close the lid and let this cook down for about 5 to 10 minutes. So guys, a nice variation would be to add the split chickpeas or the chana dal for a nice bite. You could add these right in the beginning along with mustard seeds. So guys, it's been about 5 to 7 minutes and I have turned off the flame and I'll wait for the pressure cooker to cool down on its own and we'll check on the curry. So yeah guys, the curry is ready. I've garnished it with some coriander and I'll be serving this with some Indian flatbread or chapati. To also go along with it, I have fried up a papad. So guys, your lunch or dinner is ready. Hope you enjoy this healthy, nutritious and delicious Indian curry. Have fun guys. If you like this video, please hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel. Bye for now.